Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about chapter heat, that is reading a thermometer. Before that, we have to review our previous exercise or previous topic. There we learned about what is heat and what is temperature. Temperature actually is the measure of hotness or coldness of an object and has to be measured by a device called thermometer. There we also learned about clinical thermometer, the kind of thermometer that has been used to measure our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. We have also learned about its construction, as it is built up of a glass tube. The scale that we use to measure temperature of an object, that is degree Celsius. The range of clinical thermometer, the temperature range that we could be measured through clinical thermometer is 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Thereafter, we also learned about how to handle a clinical thermometer, that means precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. Now, today we are going to learn about reading a thermometer. Since reading a thermometer, it has bigger and smaller mark, where bigger mark read 1 degree. Please give more stress on this. The bigger mark shows 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them. Then one small division can read as 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2 degrees Celsius. Before using this thermometer for measuring temperature of a body, wash it with proper antiseptic solution and hold it firmly. How do we hold it? हम पिछले डिस्कशन में देखे थे कैसा उसको पकड़ा जाएगा. We hold it through our thumb and this index finger, in between thumb and index finger, and after that give it a few jerk. Jerk हम क्यों देते हैं, उसको क्यों ऐसा हिलाया जाता है? To bring the level of mercury down. उसके अंदर जो एक liquid metal है, that has to be settled properly, that ensures that falls below 35 degrees Celsius. After that, we have to place that thermometer bulb under the tongue. Normally, clinical thermometer say, when we get our body temperature or to measure body temperature, that bulb of the thermometer has to be placed under the tongue. जीभ के नीचे रखा जाता है. And after 1 minute, we have to take the thermometer out and note the reading. Here I have written some important line. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius and the temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. इसको आप बिल्कुल नोट डाउन करेंगे कि कोई जरूरी नहीं कि हर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का जो टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो. इट कुड बी स्लाइटली हायर और lower. Next topic about clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only because the temperature of human body does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. Hence, its range is 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Now, since as already I told you about the range of clinical thermometer, that is in between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This has to made to measure appropriate temperature of human body only. Above 42 degrees Celsius cannot be measured by using this clinical thermometer, because the level of mercury expand above 42 degrees Celsius and it may break that thermometer glass. So here I have written that caution, the clinical thermometer cannot be used for measuring other object rather than human body. Except human body, हम क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर को किसी और दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट को मेजर करने के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते, नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो टूट जाएगा. टेम्परेचर रेंज अगर 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस ऊपर जाएगा मर्क्यूरी लेवल, तो वो ग्लास को तोड़ देगा, ग्लास ट्यूब को. तो what are the other type of thermometer that we have to use to measure different object? So there we found that one of the thermometer is laboratory thermometer. See, in this thermometer range of temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. If a object fall in between this range, that could be measured through this laboratory thermometer. One of the thermometer, that is maximum minimum thermometer, is used during measurement of temperature of the previous day. As we already seen in our television or learned through newspaper कि कल का मौसम का तापमान क्या था, that will be reported by weather reporters. The temperature is being measured by maximum and minimum thermometer. Now, what are the main difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer? As per range, clinical thermometer has range in between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. That means it has been designed to measure human body only. Whereas laboratory thermometer has range that is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. And another major difference between these two thermometer is that in clinical thermometer, there we see in picture, here is a band. That band is known as kink. This kink shows or to prevent immediate fall of mercury. जैसे ही हम क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर को ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट करने के लिए लगाने के बाद निकालते हैं, ये मर्क्यूरी ड्यू टू इस ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन के कारण यहाँ पर उसका विरोध होता है और वो इमीडिएट क्या होता है, फॉल नहीं होता. हेंस ये एक मेजर एडवांटेज है क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का. वेरएज दिस टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट इज नॉट फाउंड इन लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर. लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर में जो भी मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर है वो तब तक बताएगा जब तक उस थर्मोमीटर का जो बल्ब है दैट हैज टू बी डिप्ड इनसाइड हॉट और कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे हम उसमें रिमूव करेंगे, देयर वी डोंट फाइंड एनी सच काइंड ऑफ किंक और अरेंजमेंट. सो वो जो मर्क्यूरी लेवल है दैट विल फॉल इमीडिएटली एंड दैट विल द मेजर ड्रॉबैक ऑफ दिस लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर टू मेजर ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर. इसलिए हम लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर से ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेजर नहीं कर सकते. सी, अब हम लोग देखते हैं मार्केट में देयर आर सम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ थर्मोमीटर्स. आजकल तो इस कोरोना के चक्कर में आपने देखा होगा कुछ टेम्परेचर जो है मेजर करने के लिए ऑफिसेस में, स्कूल्स में और डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे यूज हो रहा है. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट ऑलरेडी मार्केट में है डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर्स that are being used in domestic or as well as clinical purpose. इसका एडवांटेज मेन एक तो ये है कि दिस काइंड ऑफ थर्मोमीटर्स जो है उसमें मर्क्यूरी जो है यूज नहीं होता, बिकॉज मर्क्यूरी क्या है, लिक्विड मेटल है. और सबसे बड़ा जो उसका डिसएडवांटेज है कि टॉक्सिक इन नेचर है. जैसे ही वो थर्मोमीटर जो ग्लास जो ट्यूब है, ट्यूबिकल स्ट्रक्चर है, वो टूट जाता है, थर्मोमीटर क्या हो जाता है, जहां पर भी वो फैल जाता है, दैट कुड नॉट बी डिस्पोज ऑफ वेरी इजिली, हेंस वो टॉक्सिक इन नेचर है, जहरीला है और वो डिस्पोज ऑफ नहीं होता, हम उसको उठाकर कहीं फेंक नहीं सकते हैं। तो बेटर है कि आप जो मार्केट में डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर है वो आजकल यूज होने लग गए हैं।